Hi everybody, David Johnson from Superior Lapidary. I got a different project today, something a little out of the normal. Got a big barrel behind me. This was my old oil barrel for the cutting oil for my saws. I've since replaced it, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I do need some barrels to put some rocks in, but I also need covers for them. Now, I took this cover off right here, using my 4-inch angle grinder. All you do, I'm sorry I didn't video it, but you just take your 4-inch angle grinder and you buzz the top off all the way around just about, and then you pop the top off. It's pretty simple, and I'm sure there's videos on that. But then you're left with the top that doesn't fit and doesn't serve as a top anymore. It's not a normally removable one with a clamp. So I was thinking about it and stewing it over, and I thought, well, it's got this nice lip on here. How about if I just bang this thing out, flip it upside down, and have a lid for it? So I've got my anvil in the garage behind me, and I'm just going to start hammering this lip out and see if it works. Got my headphones. I know I need those. It's noisy in the shop right now. I got a bunch of machinery running. So once I get inside, you won't hear too much, and besides, nobody wants to hear pounding metal with a big hammer. I've chosen a decent sized hammer that I got to start with, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I can go pound this out, and hopefully I can make a lid for my barrel so I can use it to store rocks. I have, I'll show you, I have already drilled holes in it, so that if rain gets in there, the rain will come out. But we need a top. Well, let's go hammer this out. Alright, I've got the lid over here. I'm going to throw the earphones on. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Maybe. Let's go try it out. Okay, let's see how we did. Well, it seems adequate. If you put a little weight on there, it's not going to go anywhere. Probably a brick or a couple of big rocks. I think I might flatten it out a little bit more. Here it's kind of messed up. Yeah, I'll bring it out one more time and show you in the end after I flatten it out some. Alright, I hammered it out a little bit more. Threw it back on. Yeah, it goes on easy. Kind of stays put. Put some weight on it. If you're inclined to, you could always just throw a strap hinge or something on here. That would be handy. Or not. I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to try it this way, but if I like it with a hinge on there better, I'll do that later. So anyway, I hope this couple of minutes was a little bit helpful and just gave you an idea of something you can do with an old barrel that you cut the top off of. Make it usable again. Yeah, you don't need an anvil. You just need a hammer, piece of concrete, anything will do. All right, till next time. Well, I let this sit overnight, and I figured I better do one more thing to it, just to make this a little better. I had to put a rock on here to keep the lid on. It did hold some rain, that's fine. I think I got plenty of room to bend this down on a couple spots to actually hold it in place. So I'm going to put 3 or 4 little holding tabs on here. Might work, might not. One. They're going to be great. Okay, there we go. There's the mod. That was simple. I think I still better keep a brick or a rock on there to keep it from blowing away in the good wind. Okay, that project is done again. All right, thanks for watching. Alright, as you can see, I gave up and put a hinge on here, and it's not working out smashingly well. It's just kind of changes geometry the whole top. I had to fold this down enough to get a bolt in there and bring the rest of it over, and now it's flopping inside here. Okay, I'm not going to worry about it too much, but there's one thing I can do to stop the flop. Let's see if it works. So we put vice grip on there and give it a few knocks. I did this one and that one just a hair, but I got to do it more. I don't need to do it all the whole way around, just on the far side, away from the hinge. Now this one I haven't touched at all yet. I don't know if it's pushing this out, but these are definitely coming. Okay, there it is. It does not drop in, and that's really all I wanted. Alright, so for the second time I'm done with this project, I'm going to put this barrel into use, and I'm going to throw some rocks in it that have been laying on the ground. Alright, until next time.